Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a pattern fill into shapes and objects on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your document. Let me just pan a bit here and zoom in closer. Start by inserting shape. Let me go with a rectangle, for example, but you can also go with, I don't know, a star icon or I don't know, a triangle. So I will go for rectangle, draw it here in my canvas. Next, what you want to do is select the select tool here in the top left, right click into your object, and here from that menu select fill and stroke. Here in the fill and stroke tab, what you want to do is switch from the flat color to the pattern color or fill color here. Make sure that you stay in the fill tab here and not stroke style or stroke paint. And after that, select the pattern from the library here on Inkscape. Now you may, for example, click into the drop-down menu and choose, I don't know, decoratives or geometrical grids. And yeah, use any of these. So let me go, for example, with that beehive pattern here, for example. Select it with your left mouse, and below you may customize the grid. For example, change the color here, like that, by entering, for example, the hex color code here or by using that color wheel. After that, you may also customize these settings here, like the orientation, for example, to change the angle or the orientation, the X and Y axis, the offset axes, and so on and so forth. So you can use these plus and minus buttons to customize these settings, for example. And for example, if I use these settings here, I may zoom in or zoom out and thus add more of these tiles here, for example, to that fill color here. And that's it, guys. Now you can also change the color here at the bottom. However, that is going to change the entire fill color without the pattern here. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.